on a farm. We have cows here. We have like goats over here, and there's like two goats over there with a small cat, and chickens, and birds, pigeons, whatever. There's like 8 chickens, puppy, 8, 2 goats, and 1 small cat. And there's like 6 cows, I think. I actually don't know. Oh yeah, wait, actually no, there's more chickens in there too. Let's get up close. Alright, now you can see the 2 goats over there. I don't know where's the cat. The cat has a bond with these 2 goats. Not sure why, but yeah. Yep, 6 cows. Alright, bye guys. Like and subscribe. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice, wonderful day.